So I'm often asked questions about OCR, optical character recognition. In other words, how you take an image or a scan and then convert that to text that you can actually edit in a word processor. And there are tons of different apps that will do this. But if it's not something you need to do all the time, then you may not want to add an entire new app or sign up for a new service just to do this. So people are always looking for kind of free ways to do it or ways to do it using things they already have. And there is a way to do this using Google Docs and Google Drive. Now most of us have a Google account. If you ever use Gmail, you've got a Google account. So using their free tools is an easy way to be able to scan a document into text and not have to add anything new to your Mac or buy a new app or anything. So I'm going to go to drive.google.com and of course you sign in with your Google account there. And I'm going to upload a new file. So I'm going to hit New and do File Upload. Now I've got some files here. This scan.pdf is the one I'm going to use. If I open it up here in Preview you can see it's an image. It's not individual text there. And the image is of some text of a page. So I'm going to select that PDF file, choose it, and it will open up here on Google Drive. There's the scan.pdf. Now I could go and just view it, but I'm still just going to be viewing the PDF with the image in it. So instead I'm going to control click on it and you get some items here. And the one item that we're going to use is Open with Google Docs. So Google Docs is their suite of apps like a word processor, spreadsheet, etc. If I open this PDF in Google Docs, what it's going to do, since it doesn't edit PDFs, it is going to convert it. It's going to read the characters on the image and convert it to text. And what I'm going to get here is the actual text. And there we go. I'm actually in a word processing document now. And you can see here this is actual text. I can select the text now. I can edit it, make changes to it. It's actually read the text. It's been read by a computer so you should actually look through it and edit it to make sure that everything's correct. I'm sure there are errors in here. But in general it does it, and it does it pretty quickly and easily. So what happens if you don't have a PDF if instead you have an image? So let's do File Upload. I'll choose this JPEG image. It's the same text there. And we're going to do the same thing there. So there's scan.jpg. And I'm going to control click Open with Google Docs. And it will read the JPEG image. So the result I got here is actually the JPEG image in a document. But then under it, it converted it to text. So you kind of get both of them. So how about a multi-page PDF? Let's try that. So Scan 2 actually has 2 pages in it. You can see in the preview there. So we'll upload that. And then we will control click Open with Google Docs. So yeah, it scanned it all in. It was a little tougher because there's some images there so it didn't quite deal with those images correctly, but it did actually read the text from both pages. Now at this point if you want to get it out of Google Docs and Google Drive and just have it on your Mac, you can go to File, Download As, and you can download it as a Microsoft Word document which you could open in Pages, or you can do rich text format and you can open it in Pages or TextEdit or just about anything else, even plain text. So you can get these on your Mac very easily. You can see now it appears in my Downloads folder. And there I can open it in TextEdit.